In front of me is LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Display section. After that, click on this square icon with a check mark located next to Auto Rotate screen. As you can see, the check mark is gone. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same square again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!